Welcome again to English Cafe. Today our story continues. Longer, warmer, deeper. A full day of English practice made for you.
Yes, today you just won't listen. You will live English, step by step, moment by moment. Let's begin our story together. A full day at the English Cafe, extended story morning. The start of the day.
It's an early morning again. I arrived first, unlocked the door, and breathed in the smell of fresh bread.
I walk in a few minutes later, holding a small box of pastries. Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Luna. That smells amazing.
It's a sweet day. We have a special student coming.
I smile and say softly, yes, and that student is already on the way.
You arrived. The bell rings. The door opens. There you are.
You step in carefully, looking around with curiosity. I say, hello, welcome again. It's good to see you.
Then I ask, how are you this morning?
You answer, I'm good. Or I'm a little sleepy. Or I feel excited.
We got you to your usual table by the window, sitting down and getting ready.
The sun shines softly, a gentle breeze crossing through the cafe. You sit down and open your notebook.
I ask, are you ready to practice English today?
You smile and say, yes, I'm ready. Ordering breakfast.
I take out a small menu. I place it in front of you.
I ask, what would you like for breakfast?
You read the menu and say, I would like a croissant, or I want pancakes, or I want eggs and toast.
I nod and say, great choice.
I bring the food and I say, enjoy. Practicing new vocabulary.
You open your notebook again and show us a list of new words.
You point and say, what does this mean?
The first word is comfortable. It means relaxed, cozy, nice.
The second word is practice. It means doing something again and again so you can get better.
The third word is progress. It means moving forward, improving.
You repeat 3 words slowly. Comfortable, practice, and progress. Making sentence.
Now, we help you make simple sentence.
I say, try using the word comfortable.
You take a breath and say, I feel comfortable here.
Perfect.
Now try practice.
You say, I practice English every day.
Wonderful.
And now progress.
You say proudly, I'm making progress.
And we clap softly. I walk outside the cafe, learning in real life.
We decide to step outside for a moment. The street is calm, warm, full of sound and life.
I point to a tree and I ask, what is this?
You answer, it's a tree.
I point to a bird and a wire and I say, what do you see?
You say, I see a bird.
Then I ask, what is the bird doing?
You think and answer, the bird is singing or the bird is sitting. Practice with people on the street. A friendly man walks by and says, good morning.
We encourage you to answer. You say, good morning.
Your voice is stronger now, more confident, returning to the cafe.
Back inside, we sit at a bigger table with more space.
I say, let's practice a longer conversation. The long conversation practice. What do you usually do in the morning?
You answer, I usually wake up early. I drink water. I get ready for work.
Then I ask, what do you eat for breakfast?
You say, I eat fruit. I eat cereal. I eat eggs.
I continue. What do you like to do after work?
You say, I like to rest. I like to watch TV. I like to study English, expressing feelings.
Now we ask about your emotions. How do you feel when you learn something new?
You say, I feel happy. I feel proud. I feel motivated.
Your voice becomes more natural. The story continues. Afternoon at the cafe.
More people come in. Some read, some talk, some smile at you.
We bring you a glass of water and sit next to you.
I ask, do you like this cafe?
You answer, yes, I like it. Or, I love it. Or, it feels peaceful learning with objects. We put several items on the table. A book, a spoon, a candle, a small plant.
I ask, what is this? Holding a book.
You say, that is a book.
What color is the book?
You answer, it is blue.
We continue with each object. Your answers become easier and smoother.
Now we practice describing things. Describe the cafe.
You say slowly, the cafe is warm. The cafe is quiet. The cafe is beautiful.
Wonderful.
Describe yourself.
You think and say, I'm friendly. I'm learning. I'm getting better.
We smile at each other.
The lights grow softer. The cafe becomes peaceful.
We sit across from you and ask, what did you enjoy today?
I enjoy speaking. I enjoy learning new words. I enjoy the story.
Then we ask you, what do you want to learn next time?
You answer, I want more phrases. I want more longer conversations. I want to speak better. The goodbye and stronger you.
You stand, you take your notebook. Your handwriting is full of new English words.
I walk you to the door and say, thank you for spending the day with us.
Then I add, you're improving so much. Keep going.
Together we say, see you next time.
And remember, you can learn English. You're learning more than you think.